What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another 6:18 in the morning. I just got a Facebook Marketplace notification that somebody wants to buy the car for a very good price. I really like the way, it looks. I love it.
This is what I'm unhappy about. All this, the back, the trim pieces, all these dents.
Let me turn the lights on for one last ride. Do I even want to sell this thing anymore? Oh my gosh, my fender liner just flew off. What the fuck? Focus! What the fuck? Yeah, I'm fucking ready. I was fucking born ready. What the fuck is that? That was an axle? What the fuck? Oh my goodness.
Bliss up, sticks up. I'm in a 4x4, yeah, I got my wrist up. A chain, it kept a dang, I got a Taylor. It's a mess on my face, I'm trying to get a layup. On the side, coolin' with the list, shot of my